Good day, I am Elijah Clifford Santos, fourth year from Dash 2. I'm going to discuss the PC components. First is the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer, connecting all other parts and allowing them to work all together. So ito yung motherboard, dito nakakonect yung mga parang ito yung puso ng computer. Dito nakakonect yung mga parts ng computer para gumana ito. The second one is the central processing unit, acts of brains of the computer, responsible of majority calculations and computations performed. So, ito yung utak ng computer. It works to dissipate the heat generated by the CPU when performing high-intensity tasks. So, yung cooler, gumagana ito pagka sobrang init na yung computer. And then yung RAM, random access memory, is the amount of memory a computer has access in real time for carrying out different processes. So yung RAM, kung gano'n kataas yung RAM mo, gano'n kabilis yung pag ano sa computer mo, gano'n siya kabilis mag-response. The graphics process units allows computers to render images. The more powerful the card, the more detailed images the card can render. So ito yung GPU. Kung gano'n kataas yung card ng GPU mo, gano'n ka detailed yung mga images. And then the power supply provides power to all parts of the computer, allowing it to function. So ito yung power supply. Parang ito din yung power ng computer. Kung wala ito, hindi gagana. And then the last one is storage. Yung storage, ito yung laman ng kayang maglaman ng computer. Kung ganun siya kalaki, ganun din kalaki yung lalagay mo sa storage ng computer mo.